Do you know how to speak formal and informal phrases? If you want to master English quickly and easily, you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel. My name is Musfirah. If you want to learn English in a simple way, then make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. Greetings. Formal, good morning. Informal, hey. Formal, hello, how do you do? Informal, hi there. Formal, it's a pleasure to meet you. Informal, what's up? Starting a conversation. Formal, I hope this message finds you well. Informal, how's it going? Formal, I would like to discuss. Informal, guess what? Formal, may I have a moment of your time to talk about? Informal, can we chat about something? Making requests. Formal, could you please provide? Informal, can you? Formal, would you be so kind as to? Informal, would you mind? Formal, I would appreciate it if you could. Informal, do me a favor and. Offering help. Formal, please let me know if there's anything I can do to assist. Informal, need any help? Formal, I am available to help with. Informal, let me know if you need anything. Formal, should you require any further assistance, feel free to contact me. Informal, I can help with that. Giving thanks. Formal, thank you very much for your assistance. Informal, thanks a lot. Formal, I greatly appreciate your help. Informal, I really appreciate it. Formal, your support is highly valued. Informal, you're the best. Apologizing. Formal, I apologize for any inconvenience caused. Informal, I'm sorry. Formal, please accept my sincerest apologies. Informal, my bad. Formal, I regret any misunderstanding that may have occurred. Informal, didn't mean to upset you. Ending a conversation. Formal, thank you for your time. Informal, catch you later. Formal, I look forward to our next meeting. Informal, talk soon. Formal, please feel free to reach out if you have any further questions. Informal, see ya. Expressing agreement. Formal, I completely agree with your assessment. Informal, totally. Formal, your point is well taken. Informal, I get you. Formal, I concur with your opinion. Informal, absolutely. Expressing disagreement. Formal, I respectfully disagree with your position. Informal, I don't think so. Formal, I see your point, but I have a different perspective. Informal, no way. Formal, with all due respect, I think. Informal, I see it differently. Asking for clarification. Formal, could you please elaborate on that? Informal, what do you mean? Formal, I would like to understand more about. Informal, can you explain that? Formal, can you clarify what you mean by? Informal, wait, What? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next.